this, so the maximum length is given by LCS m comma n. Okay, this is say the last element that gives me the length is equals to 4. Now this is the maximum length. Okay, now if I want to back traverse, how will I back traverse? So let's see here. So 4, it is saying in left direction, so move in the left direction. 4, it is diagonal. Now whenever there is a diagonal element, you copy the string. So this is B. Okay, so this we have copied. Now move in the diagonal direction. So 3, which is again left, so move in left direction. 3, this is diagonal, so copy this element is C. Okay, then move in diagonal direction, that is 2. Move up direction because the arrow is up, so move up 2 again. Now here 2, this is diagonal element, so copy the element C and move in say up direction, diagonal direction, this is 1. Up direction, move in up direction, that is diagonal again, so copy this element, that is A. Okay, so this is the longest string ACCB of length 4, which is common. If you want to mark the common element, so this A is mapped here, this C is mapped here. Each diagonal element wherever you have marked are mapped to each other. So this B is mapped here. Okay, if you consider this, when I filled this last entry, I could take maximum of these two. Both entries were same. If I took this entry from the top, I would have got the different string, but the maximum length of that string will still remain same. So don't worry about the choice of the string, because that will depend on the maximum function which you will write. So if I write if my LCS, okay, LCS I minus 1 comma j is greater than, and now wherever I put the equality, if I put equality here, LCS I comma j minus 1. So if this is the bigger value, my LCS will be equals to LCS I j. So my LCS I comma j will be equals to LCS I minus 1 comma j. Okay, so if I put equality here, that means I am putting more focus on values which is being are coming from the upside direction. So that means I am focusing on this solution rather than this solution when these two values are equal. And now there will be an else condition, else, okay, LCS Ij is equals to LCS I comma j minus 1. Okay, now I have already provided the algorithm for this. Now this is the condition only if when S1I is not equals to S2J. Okay, if that is the case, then it will come from the diagonal, otherwise we will compare these two elements. The algorithms are already provided to you. There is a tutorial uploaded on LMS, so now you can go through the tutorial. In next lecture we will cover the assembly line. Okay, so good luck, stay safe, remain indoor, don't go outside if it is not necessary or emergency. Okay, be safe. Okay.